All right, today we're doing another lost key replacement for a couple Ducatis. This one right here is 1199 Ducati Panigale. This one right here is a 2017 Ducati 939 SuperSport. So they send us the dashboard. Well, actually, this is local drop off. They gave us the dashboard. They gave us the ignition. If you're out of the country or not in my area, we do have a mail-in service. Just send me your dashboard, send me your ignition. If there's some guys in your area that you don't quite trust, or they do something shaky, just remember you only got one shot at this. If someone tries to read the data and they corrupt the data and they can't do it, they end up sending it back to you and they mess it up. Guess what? There's no fix. There's permanent damage at that point. You're gonna have to go to the dealer anyway. So just keep that in mind. I'll come back a little bit. Plan of action is I'm gonna make the keys, program it, and then that's it. I'll come back. Thanks. All right, we're back. This puppy is done. Here's the key. Nothing really to say much. Here you go. The key made from scratch. Let me show you the key. Cut nice and smooth. Let's try it now. On, off. Lock the steering bolt. Put it in park. Take it out. We can flip it around. On, off. So at this point, it's all plug and play. I didn't have no issues programming. It was just straightforward, like normal. Just keep in mind, if all you did was lose your keys, I can get you back up and running. If you let's say you shopping around prices and you dealing with the cheapest people and you sending it to this person saying they can't do it and they send it back to you, and then you end up sending it to me, there's a 50-50 chance I can get you up and running depending on what they did. If they damaged your dashboard or the data in it, there's nothing I could do. We still charge a minimum price just for trying the program and deal with your dashboard or ignition. So just keep that in mind. We don't waste our time. We still charge for our time. So make sure if you don't deal with us, just make sure you're dealing with the right people. Like I said, there's only one. You only get one shot at this. After that, if they mess up the data on the dashboard, guess what? You have to buy a brand new dashboard from the dealer. So and that's about it. I do a lot of these. I really don't have no issues. I probably return on average maybe 2 to 3 dashboards or immobilizers a month that are damaged from someone else that said they could do it and they couldn't do it and they end up messing it up. And I have to make that phone call and say, hey, there's nothing I can do about this. You have to go to the dealer and deal with them. So just keep that in mind. But anyway, you need my help. This is right now. It's plug and play, ready to rock and roll. When the customer gets this back, plug and play, they'll be back up and running. So you need my help, give me a call. I'll tell you what to send me, how much it's going to cost, how long it's going to take. Or go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Appreciate y'all. Catch y'all on the next one.